Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this Polaroid animation in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, I already opened another Canva page. First of all, I'm going to the elements and looking for a Polaroid camera. Go into the photos and use this image. Go into the position and rotate with 90 degrees. Actually, minus 90. Yes. And the flip like this horizontal, moving down a bit. And now going back to the elements, scrolling down to the frames and film and photo, see all. But actually the first one was already good. And increase the size a bit and looking for the perfect size like this. Position, moving behind the camera, and animate, scroll down to the baseline, just on enter, reduce the speed a bit, and right click and show element timing and just moving to the right, so just cutting the animation a bit, starting a bit slower, as you can see, or later. As you can see, it's not already what we would like to have. And now going back to the elements, adding this image, actually the image what you want, and I adding again, just reducing the size, going to the edit, so adjust, removing the saturation and the transparency a bit, and increasing the size, moving to the center position and moving to the bottom layer. And as now you can see, we have this perfect Polaroid animation. And even here, when the film is moved up, we can add any text or logo in around the image if you need something, or just a text to here, to this white part of the to the Polaroid film, just to appears when that's already moved up. We can play with this in this element timing. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to click the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find lots of text to image prompts for different kind of AI tools. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can find also the links for my Instagram and TikTok pages, where you can find lots of short Canva tutorials. So please feel free to check also them. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now, the tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.